শুভ জন্মদিন বুবু। প্রত্যেক বছর যেন তোমার জীবনে এই দিনটা ফিরে ফিরে আসুক। কত ছোট্ট বুবু আজ কত বড় হয়ে গেছে, 35 বছর পূর্ণ হলো। আমি খুব খুশি, আমার খুব ভালো লাগছে। তুমি অনেক বড় হও, অনেক সফলতা লাভ করো, আমি তোমাকে এই আশীর্বাদ করি। তুমি খুব ভালো থাকো বাবা, আনন্দে থাকো, তিন্নিকেও আনন্দে রেখো।
শুভ জন্মদিন বুবু, হ্যাপি বার্থডে মাই son, many happy returns of the day. Stay happy, healthy and blessed on your special day and every day. We are so happy to have such an amazing son. Your birthday will be as amazing as you are. You are the God's greatest gift in my life. May God bless you and fulfill all your desires. Take care of Tinni. My good wishes are always with you. Love you. Happy birthday.
হ্যাপি
হ্যাপি
বার্থডে।
বার্থডে।
আই হোপ ভালো যাক বার্থডে। 2020 যাওয়া কাটছে, কিন্তু এবার ভালো যেন হয় বার্থডে। আর খুব শিগগিরই তোমরা প্যারিস আসতে পারো, আর আমরা আবার একটু ইউরোপ ঘুরতে পারি।
I can't believe you turned 35. It's a milestone in itself.
Come on, 18 plus.
ठीक है, 35 is a lot of years. Nothing special. Just wanted to say that thank you for everything that you have done for me, for our family. We are really lucky to have you, and this one thing that I really want to tell you is that I have always in my life looked up to you the most. It's like if I ever have to think about something, I always think whether you would have done it or not. And when I was thinking about getting married, I always wanted to marry a person who would reflect you in a lot of ways, and I actually did that, so I'm very grateful for that.
And slightly motor.
And you are very lucky to have Bodhi. She is very supportive, and I can't remember a single time after the wedding that I've seen you both unhappy. I'm sure there are a lot of
Or
downs
fighting.
or fighting. Yeah. I'm sure there are a lot of fights, but it has never been so bad that it has come or reached us. And it takes a lot now, I know, that to take get a marriage work. And it's been already 5 years, and yes, experience talking. And you both are doing so well, and you both are very lucky to have each other, and I hope you both stay just as happy as you are now forever. If there is any addition, more the merrier. And eventually. Yeah. And I hope this, after all the COVID season is done, you guys come to Paris and we explore Europe together. and just that we are very lucky you are an awesome brother, an awesome son, a husband, and I think most importantly you are a great friend, and that just shows because of the number of people or the friends you have, and the kind of people you have been with, and the way you are with them, and it shows a lot about you, and that's all. I needless to say, I wish you all the happiness, health, success, everything in life. I just wish that you are just happy forever.
Yeah.
And we are always there for you. Thank you.
Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday again.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
শুভ জন্মদিন মুকুল,
শুভ জন্মদিনের শুভেচ্ছা।
অনেক আশীর্বাদ, ভালোবাসা।
তোমরা দুজনেই ভালো থেকো।
হ্যাঁ, অনেক বড় হও, জীবনে অনেক উন্নতি করো, অনেক শুভ কামনা রইল তোমার জন্য। তোমার জন্মদিন স্পেশাল হোক। তিন্নি খুব ভালো প্ল্যান করেছে তোমার জন্মদিনে সব কিছু। তুমি তিন্নির সাথে এবং তোমার বন্ধুদের সাথে খুব ভালোভাবে জন্মদিন পালন করো। ভালো থেকো,
ভালো থেকো, শান্তিতে থেকো, সুখে থেকো।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, আর কি বলবো, নিজেদের কেয়ার রেখো।
অনেক অনেক আশীর্বাদ,
অনেক ভালোবাসা, আশীর্বাদ রইল। একজন সৎ পরিশ্রমী মানুষ হও, এইটুকুই কাম্য, আর কিছু চাই না। ভালো থেকো।
এই তো মুকুলদা, জন্মদিনের শুভেচ্ছা জানাই। হ্যাপি বার্থডে, many many happy returns of the day, or really wish you lots of health and happiness in your life, and don't know next time kab mulaqat hogi, hopefully it's very soon. And by the way, learn something from Narvita. Usne 53 achieve kiya hai, tum 43 kgs is saal, okay? All right, take care, see you, bye.
Hi Mukul, wishing you a very very happy birthday. बस आई एम श्योर खूब जम के पार्टी तो कर ही रहा होगा। यूजुअल अपना जम के दारू पी, ढेर सारी दारू पी, मुझे याद करते रहना तब। एंड मेरे दारू के पैसे भेज दे मुझे, मैं अपनी पार्टी खुद कर लूँगी। सो आई जस्ट विश यू लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ सक्सेस, लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, एंड ऐसे ही जम के तरक्की करते रहो, बस्ता भर भर के पैसे कमाते रहो। और नेक्स्ट इंडिया जल्दी प्लान कर, ताकि वो बस्ते वाले पैसे हम पे भी थोड़े खर्च कर। दैट्स ऑल आई गेस। एनडीसी ने ऑलरेडी बहुत ही स्पेशल बर्थडे प्लान किया है तेरे लिए, सो हैव लॉट्स ऑफ फन एंड हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन, बाय।
Hey Mukul, wish you a very very happy birthday. I know you're 35 today, but I still remember the days in school when I used to get idli dosas for your birthday and other days also. So wishing you great success in life and all the very best for your future. Bye bye.
আরে দাদা, জন্মদিনের শুভকামনা। আমার খুব শুভেচ্ছার প্রীতি থাকলো আপনার জন্যে। আপনার যেন এই বছরটা অসাধারণ যায়, খুব ভালো যায়, এই কামনা করি। ভালো থাকবে, খুব ভালো থাকবে।
Happy birthday Mukul, wish you a lot of success in life. Happy birthday.
নো হ্যাপি বার্থডে। হ্যাপি বার্থডে বস।
Hi Mukul.
Wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy and have fun.
Hey Mukul, wishing you a very happy birthday. I still remember when we met for the first time. It was at the admission test for a class 6 admission, if I remember right. Both of us cleared it, and then we joined school the same day. And from there, I've just seen you grow. I've seen you achieve all the things that you set your eyes on. Wishing you all the very best. Go for the sky. Sky's the limit for you. All the very best. Have a great birthday.
Hi Mukul, wishing you a very happy birthday. I remember you came into my life like from class 6. We first met together. You and Harish, you came to our school, BD Memorial, and from there we shared special bonding between us. Like started gathering information about ourselves. Then we started playing, be it cheating on exams, be it studying together, or playing cricket inside classrooms. We did all kind of stuff together, and I hope that was the best time we had, and that also you will also agree that was the best time. And apart from that, in my opinion, the best thing was in class 8 when there was the boys section, and we shared same bench together, and we are literally the last benchers, and we did all kind of mischievous things. So that is a memorable part for me, and thanks for being a part of my life, friend. And till today we share the same bonding, and whenever we get a chance we can start playing pranks or play wherever we get a chance, whether it be a small ground or big ground. Whenever we get a chance we like to play together. And this is the camaraderie which I think should be between one friend and another. So thanks for being with me in my hard times also. Cheers again, happy birthday, and hopefully you like the surprise from NKD. Love you both.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mukul. Happy birthday to you. Hi, happy birthday. मुझे पता नहीं टिन्नी ने क्या प्लान बनाया है, बट आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि बहुत बड़ा सा कुछ है. सो एंड ये सरप्राइज ही होगा तेरे लिए. सो आई एम मस्ती कर, ऐश कर, बहुत मजे कर, आज खूब तरक्की कर, पैसे वैसे भर भर के कमा पोटली में. एंड लेकिन तेरा अभी भी तेरे को याद है ना कि हम लोग का जो साइन किया था तूने मेरे घर पे, वो मेरे पास अभी भी है कहीं भी. सो मैं निकालती हूँ वो वाला, और तू मेरे को पैसे देने वाला था, राइट? जो मैं और मयूक और तू मिलके बनाए थे, तो वो मुझे अभी भी याद है, लेकिन अभी तक मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला है. सो एनीवेज, तो मस्ती कर, दुनिया वनिया घूम, अच्छे से काम वाम कर. ऑल द बेस्ट. चल, बाय बाय.
हाय मुकुल, मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे, हैप्पी बर्थडे. अपना ध्यान रखना, और फिर लौटो, फिर बहुत सारा पार्टी वार्टी होगा, जाएंगे कहीं पे. टेक केयर, बाय.
Hey Mukul, many happy returns of the day. Hopefully your next year is better than 2020 at least. তোর সুইস ব্যাঙ্ক অ্যাকাউন্ট আরও ফুলে ফেপে উঠুক, তোর বডি আর টু বেটার বিল্ড হোক. At least you get to see some extra inches when you are trying to flex your biceps. তোর গিটার স্কিলটা একটু বেটার হোক. At least we get to identify the tune. I think we never could. What else? Yeah, I miss wishing the birthdays we used to have in our college time. I think birthday আগের দিন রাত্রেবেলা যে পরিমাণে পিঠে পড়তো সবার, I think we used to have it like completely numbed. In Ahmedabad, I think you had the worst one. I remember you had 100 cakes in your butt, I guess. Well, ভালো থাকিস. Hopefully we get to have some good get together once this pandemic situation is over, and it's been a long time we met, but had a wonderful time with you in our college days. Always cherish those times. Hopefully you stay safe with your family and you have a wonderful time ahead. Chalo, bye, enjoy your day.
Yo Mukul, happy birthday. It's been what now? It's been
10 plus years. I think first time we met was at this intro party जिसका IMC में admission हुआ था, and there's been no looking back. It's been awesome to be your friend, and hopefully we meet again soon. It's been what now, several years since we last met. तो दुबई आता हूँ. Let's catch up, and happy birthday once again. Have a good one. Bye.
Hi Mukul, wish you a very happy birthday. I'm sorry, I don't think I will be a part of your birthday celebrations because I am going home, but I will be there mentally, and I want you guys to take me on video so that I can be a part of the party. I actually don't know what to say because I think our friendship goes 11 or 12 years since the time we first met at IMS CAT Coaching Center. From there till now we've come a long way. I think we've pretty much done our MBA at the same time and then started working, and we've had superb times together. You introduced me to NDC after some 3-4 years of we knowing each other, and she has just been a superb addition to our group. We've had amazing road trips and very good times. What I really miss, I used to miss in Kolkata was when you left Kolkata and you guys moved to Dubai. I didn't know that, a couple of years after that, we would be staying in Dubai together and relive our old memories. It is great fun to have you around, and I think, you're a good friend. I don't know if there's anything more I can say because this is exactly what you told me for my birthday video. So you're a nice guy, you're a good friend, and I really cherish having you around. I'm glad and lucky that I have a friend like you, and we will party once I'm back, and I don't know, have a very good time. Please, a great life ahead to you. With us and also with NDC, of course, and cheers before we meet up again. See you, bye bye, and happy birthday once again.
Hi, wish you many happy returns of the day. May you have a fantabulous birthday, and see, you have been an inspiration for a lot of people. You're a great human being. Okay, it's not NDC's birthday? Okay, so Mukul's birthday is there today, and he is also a nice person. He is also an inspiration, so all the best and happy birthday.
Hey, hi Mukul.
Happy
Wish you
birthday.
a very happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. And just a few thoughts that comes on top of my mind is that it's been a pleasure, knowing you as a person, and we've all, really enjoyed partying with you, spending time with you on weekends, and what else you want to say?
या तेरी जब तू होता है तो कंपनी एकदम मतलब पूरा वी रियली इंजॉय योर कंपनी. आई मीन मुझे थोड़े वर्ड्स अभी शॉर्ट पड़ रहे हैं देख तेरी तारीफ करते हुए.
वैसे कोई खास है नहीं तारीफ करने जैसा, बट अभी तो बोलना पड़ेगा कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा. तो आई वुड लाइक टू से कि मतलब वेरी चेयरफुल एंड वेरी लाइवली. So please stay as you are, and
नैरविता को बोल तुझे कोई अच्छा सा गिफ्ट दे भाई, तेरा बर्थडे है तो.
ये दिया ही होगा, वो तो वैसे भी दिया बोलते हैं कि 300-400 दिरहम उसके लिए कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है in all cases. So yeah, but you have a very you have a wonderful wife, and I think she's very nice, and thanks Nairuta for planning this surprise for Mukul, and may you guys enjoy a lot, and wish you a wonderful life ahead. Stay as you are.
Enjoy your day.
Enjoy yourself.
Bye.
Hey Mukul, happy birthday. Wishing you a very happy and exciting birthday. So you just got like a year older, but I'm sure you guys have had an awesome time tonight. I don't know when you're seeing this video, but believe me, it's like 12 o'clock at night and I'm staying awake and making this video. So I hope you actually enjoy this video that NDSC has, taken a lot of interest to do. And I think it's really sweet thing that she's done. Okay, so now coming back to Mukul. Mukul, it's not like I know you for years together, but whatever little bit of time we've actually spent here in Dubai, I think it's been absolutely wonderful. We've hung out together. You both have been the biggest inspiration when it comes to our fitness goals. Though I never, achieve anywhere even close to what I set. But anyway, and don't forget, treat Dibi amaderke besh bhalo moton. Give us a big treat. And don't forget the cake as well. We're going to put it all over your face possible. And of course, we're looking forward to the party whenever it is over the weekend. And the rest when we meet, okay? But happy birthday once again. And, wish you a lot of success and happiness, good health, good fortune, loads of money, loads of good moments with NDC. And loads of good moments with the boys as well. So have fun and happy birthday once again. Take care. Bye. Okay, so birthday boy. A couple of more things that I wanted to actually mention about you, which, we can't skip not mentioning about you. So one is definitely your cooking. I mean, I just loved your cooking. I mean, having said that, I also love NDC's cooking, but tonight we're just going to keep the conversation about Mukul, okay? All right, so your cooking was amazing. Thank you so much for feeding all us, poor souls. And of course, just like a lot of the rest of us, you have this signature dancing step, okay? Like, I can't do it now, but it's damn funny. And you will keep doing that step, okay? So that is something I think we all love about you. And of course, making any situation into like a funny, witty, thing where everybody's having a good time, having a good laugh. So I think here's up, a big, what should I say, appreciation to your humor and your wit. So that is something I think we all love. So continue to be yourself, continue to make, everybody laugh and smile. Because I think it's a big blessing if you can do that for people and for your friends around you. So happy birthday once again, and have a great time. And we'll see you soon. We'll celebrate together. Okay? Till then, take care. Happy birthday. Bye. See you.
Hello, Mukul. A very, very happy birthday.
Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. And we're sorry that we couldn't come for the party, but I'm sure you guys had a lot of fun. And we missed it because we were moving. But let's hope that when we catch up next time, we'll make up for all the fun that we missed.
By the way, how old are you now? Anyway, kidding. Wish you a very happy birthday once again. And yes, as mentioned, we'll meet very soon and we'll try to make up for it. Enjoy.
Happy birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मुकुल क्या हाल चाल यार काफ़ी टाइम हो गया एंड या मिस योर मिथुन डांस बियर के साथ एंड या कभी कैन रहा हो तो बताओ एंड हैव अ ग्रेट वन एंड टेक केयर बाय टेक केयर
Many happy returns of the day to one of the most amazing and fun people I know of. I think we are a bit disconnected now, but back in the Cognizant days, we had so much fun together and every single day was such a blast. Thank you for that. I hope you have a wonderful day ahead. I hope you have a wonderful year and both of you just take care of yourselves. Be this positive, be this energetic. Happy birthday.
Hello Mukul.
Hi Mukul.
Wish you a very happy birthday.
This was a surprise plan from Noivita. Hope you guys have fun. Once COVID is over, we plan to visit you guys in Dubai along with our little munchkin. Bye. Have loads of fun.
Absolutely. Have loads of fun.
Bye.
Many happy returns of the day. Bye.
Hi Mukul, wish you a very happy birthday. We miss you both. Have a fabulous day ahead.
Hi टेनिस पार्टनर, हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई. इस बार तेरी पार्टी मिस करूंगा तेरे घर पे. फ्री बडवाइजर और हाइनेकेन पीने में बहुत मजा आता था. चल एंजॉय कर.
Video 1, take 2, steady.
Happy birthday Mukul.
हैव अ नाइस डे. हम लोग बहुत मिस करेंगे पार्टी.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मुकुलदा. एंजॉय. कौन सा गाना?
तुम जियो हजारों साल.
नहीं वो के फिर आओ आओ मुझको सताओ हमको सताओ. अच्छे से मच्छर मार दो दिलबरो. अच्छे से मच्छर मार दो दिलबरो. अच्छे से मच्छर मार दो.
हैप्पी बर्थडे.
हैप्पी बर्थडे.
चालू हो गया?
चालू हो गया रे.
दिख रहा है ना? दिख रहा है. मतलब क्या इंसान है तू, क्या इंसान है. देहरा सिटी सेंटर में स्टोरी चालू हुआ था. देहरा सिटी सेंटर में मिलने के बाद हम लोग साथ में इतना गाया है, खाया है, घूमा है, इतना पिकनिक किया है. पिकनिक में भी बहुत सारा एक्शन है, एडवेंचर्स है. तो तुझे भूलना पॉसिबल नहीं. स्पेशली देहरा में मैं एक बार आया था, मुझे याद है. वहाँ पे एक बार क्या चिकन बनाया था, एकदम जबरदस्त चिकन. तभी क्या है, घर का खाना मिलता नहीं है, तो वो तेरा चिकन खा के.
टिन्नी का बर्थडे नहीं है, मुकुल का बर्थडे है.
ये टिन्नी का नहीं है, ये मुकुल का बर्थडे.
तो फिर
आओ
मुझको
सताओ पैरों में पायल है.
चम 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 चम.
पायल ने मचाया शोर.
चम 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 चम.
सब दरवाजे कर लो बंद.
चम 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 चम.
देखो आए आए चोर.
चम 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 चम. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर मुकुल. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
बार बार दिल ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए. तू जियो हजारों साल से मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर मुकुल. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. एंजॉय द डे. बाय. हैप्पी बर्थडे. हैप्पी बर्थडे. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
To you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. होने दो हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू जी. सोच समझ के इनवाइट भिजवाओ जी. अगर पेट पूजा का फुल इंतजाम है तो ही न्योता कंसीडर करेंगे जी. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू कह दिया है जी. तुम और भी बुढ़े हो गए ओ तेरी. दिल छोटा ना करो, उम्र का है क्या. बाल झड़ेंगे दांत गिरेंगे वैसे ही.
Hi Mukul. Many happy returns of the day. There's just one message that I would like to give you. That you made our lives brighter since you have been in Dubai. Before that, it was really mundane. And thanks for everything. Thanks for the friendship. Thanks for the group that we have today. All the credit goes to you. So have a great day. Have a great year ahead. Stay safe. And once again, happy birthday.
हाय मुकुल.
हेलो मुकुल.
हैप्पी बर्थडे.
अरे टीनी ने बोला था भाई तेरे को विश करना है, पर नॉर्मल विश नहीं करना है. बोला थोड़ा कुछ स्पेशल होना चाहिए. तो हम लोग थोड़ा बाहर आए हैं. देख
ये देखो, स्पेशली तुमको बर्थडे विश करने के लिए.
हाँ पर सुन, अभी अब इसका बिल भेज देंगे देखो, ठीक है? अच्छा.
और मैं बैंक अकाउंट अपना भेजना है मेरा.
नहीं मेरा भेजना है.
अच्छा सुनील का भेज देंगे. प्लीज ट्रांसफर कर देना. ओके.
अच्छा. और भाई फिर से वंस अगेन
हैप्पी
बर्थडे और वी विश कि तुम दोनों कंटिन्यू करो ऐसे तू और टीनी अपना फिटनेस जर्नी और नेक्स्ट ईयर शुड बी रियली स्पेशल फॉर यू.
हाँ, और हम लोग डबल केक्स खा सकते हैं.
हाँ.
ऑलराइट, बाय.
Hi Mukul, wish you many happy returns of the day. Actually, when Tinny told us to talk about you, we had a lot of points to talk, but unfortunately the time is less, so we'll try to accommodate in very less time. Basically, you are a very social and a charming personality. Everyone knows about it. And you are an inspiration to us, of course, because you are the one who sees dreams, who goes behind it, who achieves it. And not only that, you are a very good learner, thorough learner. I had seen that when you were studying about the forex market and stock exchange market, everything. And a lot of other studies. And in sports as well, you are one of the best. So you are like a all-rounder person, in fact, in our group. And to be very honest, I always would like to follow you, and whenever you call us for tea or coffee, and whenever no one replies, I generally try to take that opportunity and send you a separate WhatsApp that at least I am coming, let's come and meet. But the actual motive is to meet you always. This is what is always there in my mind.
Yeah, because you enjoy everything in your life, whatever you have, and you are a very good human being also. Your life is going good, you're doing well, and still you're a very down to earth person. I think we should learn all these things from you. And what to say, on this is your special day, and on your special day we pray to God that you will get whatever you desire, and stay blessed and stay happy always. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Bye bye. Hey Mukul, it has been really a pleasure to know you and have you as one of my very close friends in Dubai. To talk about you, I mean, when you talk about positive outlook in life, you are an epitome of that. When I see you, you are always full of positivity. And honestly, like whatever you currently have in your life, you completely deserve it, and it's because down to your hard work and persistence.
I think that you're very determined, and yeah, you give your 100% in everything, like be it your work, Bitcoin shares, your exercise. So I think that's really something that I really like about you. And also the fact that you take care of Tinny, you're always motivating her and always showing that positive side to her. So I think it's really sweet that you're so caring about your family, and the way you keep in touch with all your friends, your networking skills.
Yeah, and I have never seen you getting angry. I mean, you're always smiling. I mean, I have seen you in a couple of tough situations, but I have never seen you losing your cool. I mean, that's one of the great traits to have. So, Mukul, wonderful person, and just stay the way you are, okay? And on this day, wishing you a very, very happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
May God bless you, and you climb all the, ladder of success, and all the best.
All the best. Happy birthday once again. Hope you have a great day and a great year.
Bye bye.